Today I'm here at the Maxwell Theater to observe the Clothesline Project, an installation of over 100 shirts offering empowering messages to those affected by sexual violence. Today, we'll take an inside look at how Augusta University is handling Sexual Assault Awareness Month.
The Clothesline Project is a installation. It's a visual awareness of the impact that sexual violence has on a community.
Augusta University is hosting events throughout April, including Courageous Conversations, an online panel addressing consent, bodily autonomy, and students' rights.
A lot of people just think, well, I didn't say no. And it's much more than that.
Whether it's in person or over the phone, the Title IX office is committed to being a safe and accessible place for students to receive resources.
I want to break the myth that I'm only here to get, people in trouble. We do a great deal of outreach and prevention.
For example, Wellness Wednesday, held on the Health Science campus on April 23rd, featured several organizations, including Safe Homes, AUPD, Student Health Services, and the Georgia Department of Public Health. Also tabling at the event was the sorority Alpha Chi Omega, which hosted the Mr. Alpha Chi pageant earlier in the month, raising $4,000 for the cause.
So our philanthropy is domestic violence awareness and sexual assault prevention. So we partner with Safe Homes and Sexual Assault Response Center just to kind of bring awareness and raise money for both of them.
Although April is over, Augusta University and the Title IX office continue to foster a culture of support, education, and action.
If it is affecting one's ability to learn or work or live, then I can help.